Hi guys, you're welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want to share something interesting. Okay guys, so for the past few days or for the past month, I've been getting emails from this particular website here called yougov. But I really don't know how I got registered, and I don't know how they got my emails, so I decided to check it out. And the thing is that most of the emails I've been getting is for me to actually take some surveys on the site, you understand. Like I realized that it's actually a survey site, so I just want to actually check it out. All right, so you can see one of the emails here say earn 500 points in 3 minutes. So today I want to talk about this. So let's break down the earning potentials of this particular app. Let's see if it works or if it's just a complete waste of time. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. My name is Solomon Okon. Right here, I come down here to break down different side hustles that can actually help you to earn extra cash. So if you want to be getting more updates from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. So let's get right in. So in this video today, I'm actually going to be checking out for the pros and the cons of this particular website, because to be sincere, I've not used it before. I don't even know how it works. So first of all, I'm going to go to YouTube and search for yougov. So I'm going to search for yougov right here. So I've seen yougov survey. You can see yougov survey tricks, yougov in Nigeria, yougov payment proof, yougov withdraw, yougov earn money. So let me click on yougov survey. All right, so it's actually loading. So first of all, I saw this video 2 years ago, yougov review best paid survey site, real user experience. All right, so this person here actually made a video about this platform 2 years ago, which means yougov is not really a new platform right here. This person made a video reviewing the yougov platform. If I scroll down, you're going to see that there are a lot of other videos, a lot of other people talking about yougov survey. You can see there are a lot of videos talking about yougov survey. So it's like the app is, it's like the thing is also an app. So first of all, I'm actually going to search for it on Google Play Store. Let's see if it's an app. I discovered that yougov actually has an app, but the app is not available in my location. They say this item is not available in your country right here, so I can't download the app. So apparently I'm actually going to go through their website. Let's see if their website is available in my location. So I just clicked on that. According to what I'm seeing right here, yougov is a market research company. I see they say yougov research reality, yougov United States, and I'm signing. So basically this yougov is not available in Nigeria, but I really don't think yougov is available in Nigeria. I really don't think so. All right, so but let's search for yougov Nigeria. Let's see if that will come out. All right, so yougov Nigeria, let's see, Nigerian opportunity and fame. All right, Nigeria popularity fame. So this is yougov Nigeria. Let's see if it will come up. I don't know. First of all, it's actually very slow. I don't know if it's slow or just my internet that is slow. And secondly, you can see it just sticks there. The thing does not even go further. So because of this, and the app is not available in Nigeria, so I just assume that the platform is not available in Nigeria. So this is really heartbroken. Anyways, if you're actually looking for a survey site that actually works in Nigeria, that you can take some paid surveys, and earn some cash. But the thing is that this paid survey site, they cannot really pay you much money. That's the truth. You don't expect much, you cannot really earn much from it. You can just earn little cash. It's not the best way to make a living. You cannot make a living from paid survey. You can just earn small cash, because sometimes the survey will be available, sometimes the survey will not be available. So if you're actually looking for an online survey platform to take surveys and earn some cash for yourself, well, I'm actually going to recommend earnviv. Yes, earnviv. And the reason why I recommend earnviv is, number one, I have used it, and number two, I have earned some cash from it. I have also withdrawn some cash from it. But it's important for you to note that they don't pay you in cash, they pay you in points. You understand? They pay you in point, in coin, and you can convert your coin to cash. That is how earnviv actually works. That is what actually works in Nigeria right now. That platform actually works in Nigeria, and I have actually tasted it, and it actually works for me. Understand? But you can also do well to do a little research on your own if it works based on your location, because for me it works on my own location. So you can do your own research. Can you really earn money with earnviv? I would say yes, you can earn money with earnviv. But what is the earning potential? Well, you can earn money, but it's going to take a very, very long time for you to earn a tangible amount of money. I spent a lot of time on earnviv, but I only made, the highest I've withdrawn is just $3 from earnviv. I withdrew $3 from earnviv. That's the highest I have withdrawn from the platform. So if you're asking me if you can earn money, yes, you can earn money with your spare time. Yes, you can earn money with surveys. But if you want to earn more, you will not depend on the surveys, because they have affiliate program. You can test out the affiliate program, and they also have offers. You can try out some offers. Offers. You can say you should play games. And they have the option for watching videos. So what are some of the pros and the cons? The pro is that you can earn money on earnviv. Pro is that you can withdraw your earnings. The pro is that the platform actually works. But what are some of the cons? The con is that the earnings are very, very small. They are very, very small. And another con is that it's actually time consuming. It consumes a lot of time. And another con is that it takes a long time for you to actually earn a lot of money. And another con is that their payout threshold, you need a lot of points, a lot of coin before you can even meet up the minimum payout threshold on the platform. So those are some cons for earnviv, but it actually works. But for yougov survey, I don't think you can access it in Nigeria. You are going to need a VPN for you to use that, which is it's not really, really good for you to use VPN for surveys, because you're not really being honest with yourself. And if they find out that you're not being honest with yourself, they can disable your account or something. So please, yougov survey, for my opinion, the app is not available in Nigeria, so you can't really use it in Nigeria. But you can test out earnviv and see how it actually goes, guys. And do well to also learn an online skill, because this is another method that will help you to make money online. You can learn content creation, video editing. I keep talking about this over and over again. This is a very, very good opportunity, for you to learn an online skill that can help you fetch passive income for yourself. If you have a video editing skill, you can work with content creators. You can become a content creator yourself. You can work with brands on Fiverr, and you offer your service to people and they pay you for that. It is very, very simple. You just have to put the effort, take the time to learn the video editing. So if you don't really like surveys and you want something that will sustain you, learning an online skill is going to help you do that. But just let me know what you think in the comment section.